In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a front brake hose on a Jeep Cherokee, which is located behind the front wheel. Raise and support the vehicle till the wheels are safely off the ground. You want to take these 5 lug nuts off. They're 19 millimeters. After you located your brake hose, you have 2 connections up here to the line, down here to the caliper. You can start up here. That is a 12 millimeter nut. You want to loosen that nut. Brake fluid will come out of this, so it's always good to have something to catch the brake fluid. Take that line off. A little bit of a tech tip, you can get a plug like this, put it on the line. That way it stops the fluid from leaking out. Take your pliers, take this clip, pull it straight out. The line comes off. Disconnect it from the strut. Let it hang. Now you're ready for your bottom nut. Your bottom nut is a 14. You can loosen that up. Spin your line off. Take your new hose, install it into your caliper hole, twist it, give it a snug, run it up to your top. Where it goes into your holder. Get your C-clamp. Slide your C-clamp in. Make sure it's locked in. Take your hose, rubber mount. Put it into your strut. Now it's time to put that line into your hose. Remove your little rubber plug. Take your line. Make sure it's seated into your hose. And tighten it. Give that a snug. After your hose is installed, you can pop off this little bleeder cap. Just a rubber plug. Open your bleeder. This is an 11 millimeter. Sometimes this might take a few minutes, but you want a gravity bleed. Now tighten up your bleeder. After you tighten your bleeder, take your little cap. Pop it back on. Take your wheel, line up your lug holes. Put these in by hand so you don't cross thread. Snug them up. Now that we have our wheels back on the ground, you're going to torque these lug nuts at 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern. After you raised your hood, here's your engine compartment. In front of your battery is going to be a master cylinder. I want to pop that cap off, put it off to the side. And you want to draw some of the old brake fluid out of that master cylinder reservoir. After removing old fluid, you want to fill your reservoir with clean fluid. Keep in mind you're going to have somebody sit in the vehicle, pump the brake up while you're doing this bleeding procedure. And you're starting at the left rear wheel. Come to your bleeder, take your cap off, have your friend pump the brake up at least 4 or 5 times. As he's holding, you want to open up your bleeder. This is an 11mm bleeder screw. As soon as his foot hits the floor, he's going to say floor. You tighten up your bleeder. And you want to repeat this process until all the air is out of this caliper. Tighten up your bleeder. Put your cover back on. Now you're going to repeat this at the right front wheel. Remove your bleeder. Have your friend pump it up. Tighten your brake bleeder. Have your friend pump it up again. He's holding. Open up your brake bleeder. And one more time. Tighten up your bleeder. Pop your cap back on. Now you want to check your reservoir and top that off with fluid. Fill your master cylinder. After you top off your fluid at your master cylinder, you want to continue over to the right rear wheel, bleed that caliper, and then finish coming to the left front wheel, bleeding that caliper. Now after you bleed your left front wheel, top off your fluid. Put your cap back on. Make sure your surface is clean. Make sure that there's no leaks. Put your wheels on. Torque your lug nuts at 100 foot-pounds. Take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.